Traffic explosion. Internet marketing reviews have crowds of hungry buyers stepping over each other to stuff wads of cash into your pockets right now. Discover low-cost and free ways to generate heaps of targeted traffic that will cause you to profit beyond your wildest dreams. So you have done your homework, discovered your profitable niche, the right product, whether it be yours or an affiliate product, set up your blog, and you're ready to have the profits come rolling in. Or are you? Too often, the scenario I see is this: novice marketers set up the site, which is all beautifully set up, let it run live, and expect to see hordes of people stampeding over to them and buying their products. I hate to say this, but no, that doesn't happen in real life. You see, thanks to the interactive nature of the web nowadays, you are expected to have a couple of things besides good content in your site. Your site needs to have original, unique and quality content for it to be picked up by the search engine spiders. Your site needs loads of trackbacks and backlinks in order to be discovered by the search engines for higher page ranking. You need to at least have a blog to interact and constantly update your information. Mind you, all these methods may be free, but they won't be easy to implement. I should know, when I first started it took me months to consistently hit page 1 on the search engines. Yes, now, I appear first on the search results time after time, but that is the result of a year's worth of intensive trial and error concerning the various search engine optimization and traffic generation methods. Today, I have no problem making a site achieve first page ranking easily with my personal step-by-step method on traffic generation, which I carry with me all the time. This year, however, after seeing tons of marketers crash and burn in their attempt to achieve first page rankings in the sites, it was time for me to let them in on my tried and proven techniques of having swarms of hungry prospects flooding their sites. So right now I proudly introduce Traffic Explosion Secrets. This is a compilation of the SEO and traffic generation methods that have worked over the years for me like gangbusters, and you can now have the same bees to honey effect with your prospects. This powerful guide holds many keys to generating loads of traffic, including the 2 most important main ways of getting consistent first page ranks in Google, what on-site SEO is and how simple and effective it is to execute. How a couple of well-written articles can flood tons of traffic to your sites. The place to publish your articles for optimum coverage. We're talking all over the web here. Leveraging on social bookmarking to divert streams of traffic to your main site. A shortcut way to create your own viral marketing video easily without filming anything. How to use fun social sites such as Facebook and Twitter to pull in heaps of fans and loyal subscribers. Properly utilizing paid ads for your marketing campaigns. This could save you tons of time and money over the long term. And much, much more. Now many greedy gurus and charlatan experts simply rip off information from loads of other sources, dump them into an ebook and slap a $67-107 price tag on their revolutionary product, hoping you'd be suckered into placing the cash in their hands. Sorry, but I'm not doing that because I'm not your typical snake oil guru. In fact, I'm going to let you have this guide for a tiny fraction of what others are charging out there. I know that people out there are struggling to pay the bills and put food on the table, which is why I'm not charging insane amounts like others do. I have also built up a reputation for over-delivering and undercharging my loyal customers, and they will attest to that. Of course, there are the skeptical ones who don't believe there are such things as good deals around. Fine with me. For the people who want to start experiencing the flood of targeted traffic to your sites today, this guide is yours for the low one-time price of $32. In fact, even after you've gotten your hands on this guide, you can always return it back if you feel it doesn't quite work out, thanks to your purchase is backed by my 14-day satisfaction money-back guarantee. Look, your web pages can either be a thriving marketplace and your automated profit machine or an online ghost town. Traffic is the lifeblood of every site, and would you rather invest the price of a meal for fast food meal for two or have to spend hefty sums of money of AdWord campaigns you don't even know how to run? Make a smarter investment by grabbing these techniques for only $32 but flooding your sites with buyer traffic that will stuff thousands of dollars into your accounts. By the way, $32 is my introductory price, but once I find too many people using these solid traffic generation tactics, the price will increase. That's a given. The difference between successful marketers and those who struggle is the amount of action they take. To take a step towards getting tons of buyer traffic to your sites, simply click on the link below, and order now. Your websites are waiting to be pumped by tons of targeted traffic.